good, YouTube? Day two of the vlog. Yeah, right now we at Ocean Cay. You know what I mean? Private island. We got to go out there and have some fun. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all the island real quick. Ocean Cay. Private island. About to go down to the island, you know what I'm saying? Check out some excursions, check out, you know, what to do, go on the beach, go in the water, all that. I'm prepared today to go in the water, yes sir. And I got a little drip track with the relaxed shorts. Nah, Shan. Yeah. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We about to go down there. Ocean Cay. What, boss? What kind of excursions do you have today?
On the other side, pavilion.
Okay.
Not an excursion. I'm just only the map now.
Okay, can I have a map? Thank you. Do you have the sunset excursion today?
You already booked it?
No, we couldn't book it. We do have little bars and
The
stuff.
sunset champagne cruise.
Yeah.
How many you want?
Just two.
Okay.
Ocean Cay Islands. It's pretty nice out here.
Huh?
Say something for me, Cam.
Hold on, I say. Hold on. Thank you. I say, big up J.A., you know, say man from Greens. You know, say me rise up the machine.
Oh, yeah,
Boy,
yeah.
this is better.
Yeah. Right.
Let's start boy, I say, boy, me never quit.
Alright.
Guns for me side, me say, like, I'm on quit. Them boy already here, so me like them here, them out like cigarettes.
Alright, boss, respect. I'm charging that, you know? Hey, man. Oh, water. So, yeah, guys. Here, hey, man, respect.
Which way is the beach? Is this way?
Oh, the beach.
I have no idea. I'm just following the crowd.
Which beach is that way?
You want it out? Are you sure?
Yes, we were just there.
The beach is that way?
Yeah, that way.
Alright, so we're going the wrong way.
Yeah, go to the
This ain't gonna lie, this is a beautiful island. Beautiful island. I mean, they do have a cabana. You'll probably stay overnight in that hole. You know, in case you want to like live on an island, they do got cabanas. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta pay for them. Y'all gotta keep the grass clean. Yeah, we're gonna do the lighthouse tour tomorrow. Gotta find some empty chairs. Come on. Yeah, so they're on the beach right now. It's kind of hot out here, you know? Not gonna lie, kind of hot, but so it got nice seeing me find somewhere to relax and go and chill out, you know what I'm saying? Soon touch the waters and then I soon need to go find somewhere to burn my herbs, you feel me? Cause a whole heap of people out there, I can't really burn my herbs out there cause I don't want nobody go inform for me, you feel me? Come and floor around on one corner and you see Pree? People out here, man. Huh? People out here. you have the big head one here.
It's hot.
It is hot. But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Road to 1K. This is day 2 in Bahamas. Ocean Cape. I mean, about to go see what this water talking about. And yeah, I'll be back. Look, man, I'm a skinny nigga, okay? I don't talk about I'm a chest, none of that. I don't give a fuck about none of that. Alright? I don't wanna hear go in the gym, none of that. When I'm ready, I will do it. You know what I mean? But we about to go in the water though. Let me just take my socks off real quick. We know the waters. I got a beer belly. Skinny nigga with a beer belly. I be a Heineken, me I drink on the trip. Be a Heineken. I'm a first shot of liquor. So boss, if someone drowning, you gonna save them? For sure? You can swim like all the way over there, across the line.
To Miami.
You can swim to Miami? That's cap. That's cap. That's cap. It's water, it's cold, and it's clear. Woo! Babe, come on. It's cold.
Don't worry, sir, when you get in there, it feels very refreshing.
I know, I don't think I could get in.
You just gotta jump in.
I just gotta jump in?
Well, I've been going like this every 2 steps.
You like going in?
You gotta just get wet.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to go as far as possible.
Just do it.
Just do it, right? Just like Nike, just do it. Like he said. You take a plunge. Water cool, I'm not lie, but whoo, like them said the further you go, whoo, Jaja. You know, I'm a breathe. Woo! I ain't gonna lie, it's cold. I gotta go back. I can't go no further. I can't go no further, but it should look nice though.
Nice.
Like, look at them out there. Look at them out there. You know what I mean? The water is definitely nice though. I'll tell you that. But the water cooler fret. Water cooler fret, my father. I don't even know if this waterproof. Oh well. If it ain't waterproof, it ain't waterproof. You feel me? I'll just buy back our next one. Man, that's our cruise right there though. Yeah, water nice though. If I've ever been in Bahamas water, shit is nice. It's just cold. I don't like that. I don't like how it's cold like that. But I'm pretty sure once I get in, you know what I mean, I'm gonna get used to it. But I'm not doing that right now. I'm not doing that right now. So yeah, we just gonna vibe right here. You know what I mean? At the cutoff, waist is the cutoff right now. You know what I mean? There's a couple people over there. This is like the only thing I could do for y'all. I'm sorry. That go swim, but the water cool. Plus, me now try to get my ear wet. Let me see if I can take some sand up with my feet. Hold on. I'm nearly dead. I'm nearly dead. There's a stingray in the water. Woo! There's a stingray in the water. Hold on. Look, there's a stingray right here. Look, baby, it's a stingray right here. And a fish. Look, you see the fish? And you see the stingray? Look, see if you can catch it. Look, you see that? See the stingray? I don't know if y'all can see it. I need it. I have to do this. Oh, there you go, there you go. Got it. Woo. It's a motherfucking rock with holes in it.
My show looks better.
Let me see. Little last show. Yeah, water feel nice. It's a little cold though, but it was nice once you get in there. Salt. I got on my nose. We walking on the island, exploring the island, waiting on our excursion at 4:45 sunset cruise. You know what I'm saying? So that song, no copyright. But yeah, we just vibing. I'm about to go find a spot so I can smoke. And just vibe till our excursion at 4:45. Do not pass. Damn, I wanted to go on this shit too. It says do not pass. Should I do it? Should I do it? I'm gonna do it. No public access. There's a lot of warnings, but I'm still gonna do it. Still gonna do it. I look, you just want to go on there and then come back quick before they be like, hey, you're not supposed to be over there. All right, let's go. Let's go. Ooh. I'm fucking drunk. I made it, you guys. I made it. Unruly. This is why Pree. All right, we're not gonna go no further. We're not gonna go no further. Let's go back over. I'm gonna turn back the camera on when we get on our excursion. We're gonna take a little trip around the island. You know what I mean? Just a little ride around the island on a boat, smaller boat. I almost fucking lost my phone. I bet, look, I can't even see it. Y'all could probably see it. It's right there. Literally right there. Let's see. And I'm fried. I should drop that in my pocket. Yeah, so right now we're going on the boat. Going on the boat. About to tour around Ocean Cay. What's up, boss? I need to show you my ticket. Oh. No? Can we go upstairs? Yeah? Yeah. You wanna go upstairs? Yeah. What's up, man? You're a captain? Captain? Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna hold this down right here. Hold this spot down here.
Captain Matt here. He'll be the one carrying us around the island, alright? So just so you guys know, I'm just going to give you some safety purposes on what's going to be happening and exactly what to expect, alright? So for starters, we have some light vests that are down to the front, on the left-hand side and right-hand side. Down the front, you're not going to see it now. Yeah. Also, we have first aid kits on the left-hand side of this hatch and the right-hand side over here as well. And we have a fire extinguisher as well, alright? The bathroom that we have down below, guys, is not like your bathroom at home. It's very sensitive. So if it doesn't pass through your body, please do not put it inside the toilet, all right? So just so you guys know what's going to be happening on the tour, we call it a champagne tour because it's more like a relaxation tour. We just take a nice cruise around the whole island, guys. We sip on some champagne, we have a good time, and just enjoy the sea breeze. If you want to fall asleep, you fall asleep. I'll hand you a pillow, no problem. Yes, guys. So in a few We're gonna have CJ and Kaylin bring you guys up some glasses and pour you guys some champagne. Any questions, guys, you can ask us, no problem. It is a cruise, so if you want to ask how deep it is, why is the water this color, I don't know. But yes, you can ask anything. Like I say, it's more relaxation. Just feel free. Enjoy. Any questions, guys?
Not at the moment.
How about lottery ticket numbers?
But I wish I was in the lottery. I wouldn't be here. I'd be on a yacht.
They ain't call it sunset for no reason. See that sunset right there? The open water, man. It's a different lifestyle. You know what I mean? Look at that. On the whole island. That's crazy. Come on, them life that man try to live, you know? But y'all boys help me get to my goal. You know what I'm saying? Hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the video. By the end of the year, I need 1,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? 1K. 1K. Yeah, man, let's go up. That beautiful sunset.
Takim zachodem piękne będzie zas.
Dog gun and fuck.
Jaki zachód?
Let's wait. Watch your Pree, man. Watch your Pree.
Kas takie zdjęcie.
Watch your Pree, no. Watch your Pree. Watch your Pree.
Było się obraca, no. Teraz zawód już tu jest. Już nie zrobisz.
I rate this.
Yes, sir. Out here sipping on some champagne on the sunset. Dog done got me right. You know what I'm saying?
I know seeing this weekend. Hurt me too, bro.
Yeah, I big up the dog there, man. But check out the water though. Island vibe, you take price.
How you doing though? I please stand on the trouble like gangbanging shit. You know where you
Yeah, he's on my YouTube and my open mics. You'll see him on there. I'm on Price. You know, I'm in your island, so I gotta, you know, type you in with this voice.
I'm telling you.
I'm listening to you right now.
Sam jump over the water once, I saw it. Sam jump over right behind the sunset.
It's a beautiful view. Yeah, so if you don't know, every time you come, you get off the boat and go on the island, You come back on the boat, you gotta go through checking. You know what I'm saying? They're checking your bags, they're checking your ID, make sure you don't got no drugs, no, you know what I'm saying? No stuff like that. So if you do get some stuff like that, you just gotta hold it down. You know what I mean? Everybody going through the chain right now. So yeah, that shit's mandatory. You know what I mean? Got you. But what I was gonna say. Later we're gonna go look at the lighthouse show, and then later after that we're gonna go to the after that we're gonna go. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so later we're gonna go to the lighthouse show, and we're gonna go to the beach party on the island. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm gonna bring my light because it's dark outside. So yeah, catch y'all later.